Hey guys, how's everybody doing today? Hope everybody's doing fine and well. We're over here, still in Puerto Rico, hanging out, chilling, enjoying life. No light, no water. Government doing what government doing. They said they were gonna hook us up with the light, but Luma and the government together, they're not taking care of business. They're just racking up the money. It's all about the money. But it is what it is. Good thing about it, every 4 years we get a new government. So this government don't look like he want to be here another 4 years. Cause what a joke. Serious joke. There's no water, but there's broken pipes. Serious. Check this out. Broken pipe. Massive water leak. So it is what it is. Shout out to Steffi, her birthday. Happy birthday. It's my niece. Over here, the price is so ridiculous. They don't advertise the price. It's whatever. Oh my God, this is crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Can you believe that? They have no prices on the gasoline. Sharp. Well, now I know why I ain't got no prices on the gas, cause they ain't got none. That's cool. Yeah, we have no light, no water, and this hurricane did a lot of damage on the other side of the island, but the damage is internal, so we got what we got? We got no light, no water, no internet. So this is a real bad situation here. That was my first gas station with no gas. So now we're headed to another one. Hopefully we no traffic lights either. Cause since we ain't got no light. And lights coming back slow, it's coming, you know. It's like real slow. So we don't know. lights working, but most places there are no traffic lights. There, up ahead we got traffic lights. See them? It's like hit or miss situation. Let's see this gas station here. Let's see if it got gas. Nope, no gas. People are used to driving with no gas. With no light service, so accidents are very little. Oh, another thing, they changed, gas companies changed, and that messed up the situation with their tanks, because they were emptying it to fill up the new gas. Now it's crazy. Let me see if they got. Let me see if this one got gas. Let's see if they got gasoline here. Nope, no gas here either. That's the second gas station with no gasoline. So let's see what's happening here. Okay, it looks like this one got gas. It's got a line. So okay, we found one with gas. Get over here. Okay, now we're on the gas line. We went to 3 gas stations. We finally got one that got gas, and check out the line. This is this is what happens when we have a system that's like who did it in Iran, but it's a colony, so you know this is not a state, this is a commonwealth, and we're the product of slavery. Slavery is still out here. You know, they say slavery is over. That's not true. You know, we don't have the right to buy whatever we want. We gotta buy through whatever the United States allows us. Everything has to go through them, and this is the product you get when you have slavery in 2022. It's still out here, you know. Doesn't matter what government runs the United States. Either government is the same. You still have their foot on our necks. So, and over here, it doesn't matter what party is running the government, because they have a book. When you get rid of one government, the other government comes in, takes the playbook. Here, continue the joke. It's been like, what, 7 days, 8 days, the storm passed by, and luckily, if you notice, you don't see damage in the area, but there's no light. So who's controlling this? You know, the time we drove the video here all around, you didn't see no damage in the area, but they have no light, no gasoline. You know, this is a hurricane that went by. Now this is a man-made hurricane. You know, you have a situation where the government ain't doing nothing for the people here. It's just a matter of whatever. This video is a little venting. I hope you guys don't take it serious. Don't take it to the extreme that I'm either party or whatnot, because I'm not a Republican, I'm not a Democrat, I'm not a Popular, I'm not a PNP. I'm just a normal human being that want to do some YouTube videos. And thank you guys for liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel. But these are little things that we have to deal with, and it's a situation where you got a government doing their best. Supposedly they'd be doing their best, but their best ain't good enough. Lady trying to get into the traffic, nobody lets her in. It's ridiculous. But yeah, can you imagine if they had real damage on this side of the island? We'd be talking worse than Maria, because this government and this is ridiculous, because luckily we don't have that great of damage, but this Luma company is like, I don't know what's going down. They don't want to put the people to work. They don't want to. I don't know what's going down. I really can't understand their philosophy and how long it's going to take them to put back the light when the damage is basically very little, limited, you know. Maria, it was damaged. You see it all over the place. You see all these light posts down on the floor. You see all kind of ridiculous things. So you can understand the frustration level now is real big, because the damage is very little and there's no light. and no gas. And they said that we got gas like for a whole month's supply. And you seen all these gas stations we went by, no gas. You know. So they keep lying and juggling. The only good thing is that the people that put our solar power, you know, they had light through the storm, they have light after the storm, and they still got light. They generating their own light. But government here don't want to go solar. You know. It's I don't understand it, you know. It's like ridiculous. But they're doing a great job, you know. They're doing a fine job. They're doing an excellent job, you know. Am I going to vote for them? Nope. Do I encourage anybody to vote? Vote whatever way you want to vote. You know. I definitely ain't gonna vote. I don't believe in being part of the problem. Oh, I'm part of the problem. Well, yeah, I guess everybody's part of the problem. It's, you know, it is what it is. They have a conference where they be telling the public how they're working and how they're doing and how FEMA is helping. And the first couple of days, the governor, he was in all the conference. When shit started hit the fan, he's missing in action. You don't see him no longer. You don't see him no longer. He said, "No, sir. I don't wanna keep coming out telling the people lies, because eventually the lies catches up to you, you know. Oh, we're gonna have the light back a few days. Yeah, because everything looked good. A few days, a couple of weeks now. You know. Yeah, I understand that the other side of the island got really messed up. I understand that. But that don't make no sense why we ain't got light on this side of the island. Look at this. They don't put prices on gasoline. That means they have only got regular, only got premium, and they got it at 105 a quart. That sucks, man. They don't have no diesel. That's another thing. Diesel for the supermarkets, for the plant, for the hospitals. We're supposed to have a big supply of diesel. Man, this is one corrupt system. Well, now, the only real good thing about this is that this wasn't a Maria. Hurricane Maria, boy, that was no joke. This here is a Mickey Mouse hurricane, and it flipped the island, just like Maria. And that's government. Government has failed the people. In these gas stations, they don't have nobody setting up the way you go to get gas. It's like they going and coming like spaghetti and meatballs. So you have public doing whatever they want. So this is ridiculous. Beautiful day though. Weather's excellent. Well, we're moving up on the gasoline line here. It's no joke. Well, guys, we filled up. And now we're going back home. Remember, like, share, subscribe, and it's all about the view. And Puerto Rican going through his situation with the gas and the light and the water. Because that's another joke, the water. We've been, in my house, we've been like 3 months with no water. They've been giving us water now after this Fiona, this hurricane, they have these places where you go get water. You gotta go carry your own water, and it's not easy. Becoming like a third world country. Man-made situation here. Well, Puerto Rico it'll get back on its feet again. You know, we've been kicked down and we've been in the mud and we come back. So it's just, you know, it is what it is. Every day's a good day. Thank you, guys. Remember, like, share, subscribe. It's all about the view. And I'll keep you informed little by little. Remember, every day's a good day. Thank you. Well, today the supermarket don't got no line, so that's good, because the first couple of days it was real hectic trying to get into the supermarket. You know, the line was unbelievable. But now it's alright. Normalizing. Here we got light working. It's traffic light, so that's good. That noise you hear is the generator. Supermarket is working with a generator. Runs on diesel. So it's crazy.